This is the base that we're going to be working on, and let me start by saying that if you have not completed the rest of the packet, please do those before coming to this problem. What we're doing in here requires a few dimensioning tools that will be much more easy once you've finished everything else. That being said, this is the part that you're using. You find under the 5-2 sketches, and this is what it should end up looking like. So let's make a new part. We're making a 2D sketch on the top view, and we're making a square starting from the center point here that is going to be 3.17 by 3.17. Finish your sketch. Extrude that out to be 1.53. Let's make a new sketch on the top of this and make a simple rectangle somewhere. From the edge to the bottom of the rectangle, it says is 0.82, and to the top of the rectangle should be 2.41. From the edge to the side of the rectangle is 0.6, and from the edge to the other side of the rectangle it's going to be 2.57. Finish your sketch, and now you're making a cut extrude, which means you're removing material out of the center 1 inch. Make a new sketch on the side of the block and draw in another 2-point rectangle. From the edge to the side of the rectangle you should have, looks like 0.39. To the other side of the rectangle is 2.79. To the bottom of your rectangle is 0.3, and to the top of your rectangle is 1.23. Finish your sketch, extrude, cut the section you just made, and this time it should be 0.57. Look at the back of your part, make a new sketch, draw a 2-point rectangle again, dimension to the edge of your rectangle, it should be 0.34. To the other side of the rectangle is 2.84. To the bottom of the rectangle should be 0.27, and to the top of it should be 1.27. Finish your sketch, extrude it, cut it the same distance. Now go back and add fillets to the outside edges. The first set on just the 4 corners are going to be 0.3. And those are on the major 4 corners of your block. And then we're going to add in another fillet. These are going to be 0.2. These will be for any of the inside corners. And use your control. If you happen to click on something you weren't supposed to, you can control click on it to take it back. Use shift in your mouse wheel to rotate the screen around as needed to get to any corners you might need. To pan, you just hold your mouse wheel down and you can move anything on the screen. And again, if you do happen to mess up, as I did here, hold down control, click on it again. It is possible to click on things without looking at them, such as this line here. It's normally best to be able to see the actual corner that you're selecting. Once you have everything done, hit F6 to take you to your home view and save your file.